Come on, come on.
Party Steve's? Sweet, yeah, I'll be there. Jennifer's gonna be there? Bro, I'm definitely going now. Alright, yeah, I'll see you. I gotta call you back.
College-bound juniors and sophomores, don't let the PSAT sneak up on you. Your teachers have hopefully now distributed to you the flyer regarding PSAT NMSQT with all the important information about how to take the test and when it will be offered. On the opposite side are some practice questions. Hold on, don't try those yet. We will do those later in the presentation. Let's take a look at the important information for test date. The test is given one time each year. It is a national test, so we all have to give it on the same day. It's given Wednesday, October 13th, actually right here at Aurora High School at 7:40 a.m. in the auditorium. So you will need to be on time and be in your seats ready to test at that time. Who should take this exam? Anybody who's planning on going to college who is a junior or a sophomore should take this exam, especially juniors. It's a great practice for the SAT. The test fee is only $15, and you make your check payable to Aurora High School. Take it to the guidance office to Mrs. Weingart between September 22nd and October 6th. So these are some of the things we're going to talk about today when we talk about the PSAT. So what is the PSAT NMSQT? Well, it measures academic skills you'll need for college. It's co-sponsored by two different companies, College Board, which also has AP, SAT, and other college prep exams and information for you, which we'll talk about later regarding their website, and the National Merit Scholarship Corporation, which is the scholarship end of this exam. This test serves as an entry point to the National Merit Scholarship Corporation competitions, and it is great practice for the SAT. In 2007, it was taken by more than 3.4 million students. 47% of those were 11th graders, and 53% of those were either 10th graders or younger. So what are the benefits of PSAT? It's great preparation for the SAT. You get to practice the questions, you'll get your book back after the exam, and a whole score report detailing each question so that you can get some great practice. If you are a junior, there are scholarship and recognition opportunities. You could become a National Merit semifinalist, and there are lots of scholarships given by companies and colleges. You get feedback on your academic skills, and you get to find out what you are strong at and what you need to work on so that when you take the SAT and even the ACT, you'll have some good information about what you'll need to study. There are great college and career planning tools attached to this test, the PSAT. If you go on the College Board website, you will find all kinds of things that will help you in those areas. And also, by taking this test, you will put yourself into a bank for colleges to send you some information regarding admissions, financial aid, and other important information that you will want from colleges. So what skills are tested on the PSAT? Well, there are 3 sections: critical reading, mathematics, and writing skills.
Let's take a look at your critical reading questions. If you flip over your handout that your teacher gave you in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see a critical reading question. There's 13 sentence completions. Let's try one. Go ahead and read the statement and select your answer. I'll give you a few seconds. E, immaterial. Hope you got that right. Because Heather is contradicting Roger, the correct response is the word that is most nearly the opposite of significant. E is the correct choice. That's a great example of a critical reading section sentence completion question. Let's go to the next question on the upper right of your handout. It's a critical reading section passage-based reading. Go ahead and read the TV monitor. I'll read it with you. After I left the room, I began to sift my impressions. Only the day before, an acquaintance had warned me to watch carefully for sleight-of-hand tricks, especially as the man had earlier been a stage conjurer. Here's the question. Go ahead and read it. I'll give you a second to choose your answer. Great. A. Choice A is correct. The acquaintance mentioned in line 2 warns the author to watch carefully for sleight-of-hand tricks. A. Skeptic. Great job. In the math section, here are some of the skills that will be tested. There are 28 multiple choice questions, 10 student-produced response questions that you'll grid in. We'll try one of each. In the middle of your handout on the back, let's try this question. Here's a multiple choice example. If ax plus bx equal 36, what is the value of x when a plus b equals 12? Go ahead and give it a try. Circle your answer. You can write all over that handout. Perfect. How many of you guys picked A? X equals 3. Great job. Let's try a student-produced response. Here's the question. What's the value of H? Go ahead, write all over that handout. Try to figure out the value of H, and then in the little box, go ahead and grid your answer in. You'll have to do those on student-produced response questions. Go ahead and give it a try. Don't forget to grid it in. If you're using dashes or periods, make sure you grid those in. Also grid in your zeros. So H equals 4/7. Great job. In the writing skills questions section, there are 20 improving sentences questions, 14 identifying sentence error questions, and 5 improving paragraph questions. Let's try 2 of those. I'll let you do the improving paragraph on your own once you get a practice test booklet after you register. Let's try a writing section improving sentences question, bottom left of your handout. Go ahead and read the question. Look over the answers, A through E, and circle the correct answer. How about B? I think so too. B is the correct answer. It avoids the errors of the original by eliminating both the unnecessary adverb then and the vague pronoun they. Great job. Those can be pretty tough. Let's try the last one. Identifying sentence errors. Circle the letter underneath the underlined word or statement, or you could circle E if you think there's no error. Go ahead and try to improve this sentence error. Hope you picked B. The error in this sentence occurs at B, when an unnecessary pronoun is used. Great job. Again, there are some improving paragraphs questions also. I'll let you practice those on your own. I'll just flip through these. B was also the correct answer.